Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing whether it's possible to have cash-flowing rentals in the current market and what strategies can be used to make rentals cash flow with current rates. Many investors believe that in the current market, it's nearly impossible to have cash-flowing rentals. This may be due to a variety of reasons, such as rising interest rates, increasing property taxes, and higher insurance premiums. However, this does not mean that cash-flowing rentals are completely out of reach. In this video, we'll be exploring several strategies that can help make rentals cash flow in the current market. Understanding the current market. Before we dive into strategies for making rentals cash flow in the current market, it's important to understand the current market conditions. In recent years, the real estate market has experienced significant fluctuations, and these fluctuations have affected the rental market as well. Currently, interest rates are low, but they have been rising gradually. This means that the cost of borrowing money for a rental property has increased, making it more difficult to generate positive cash flow. Additionally, property taxes and insurance premiums have been increasing, adding to the cost of owning and operating a rental property. On the other hand, the demand for rental properties remains high, especially in urban areas where housing costs are expensive. This creates opportunities for investors who are willing to put in the effort to find properties with the potential to generate cash flow. Strategies for making rentals cash flow. Now that we have a better understanding of the current market conditions, let's explore some strategies that can help make rentals cash flow in the current market. Buy below market value. One of the most effective ways to generate positive cash flow is to buy a rental property below market value. This can be accomplished by finding distressed properties or properties that need significant repairs. By purchasing these properties at a discount and fixing them up, you can increase their value and generate positive cash flow. Choose the right location. Location is a crucial factor when it comes to rental properties. Choosing a property in a desirable location with high demand can help ensure that your property stays occupied and generates positive cash flow. Look for areas with strong job growth, good schools, and access to public transportation. Increase rent. Raising rent may seem like an obvious solution to generating more cash flow, but it's important to do so strategically. You don't want to price yourself out of the market and end up with a vacant property. Research the local rental market and compare your property to similar ones in the area to determine an appropriate rent increase. Reduce operating costs. Reducing operating costs is another effective way to increase cash flow. Look for ways to cut costs without sacrificing the quality of the property. For example, switching to energy-efficient appliances can save money on utility bills, while negotiating lower property management fees can reduce expenses. Short-term rentals. Short-term rentals can be a lucrative alternative to traditional long-term rentals. These types of rentals often generate higher rental income but require more management and marketing efforts. Make sure to research local laws and regulations before pursuing this option. Refinance. If you already own a rental property, refinancing can be a way to reduce your monthly mortgage payment and increase cash flow. By refinancing at a lower interest rate, you can save money on interest payments and potentially reduce your monthly mortgage payment. In conclusion, it's still possible to have cash-flowing rentals in the current market. While the rising interest rates, property taxes, and insurance premiums may pose challenges, there are still strategies you can implement to make rentals cash flow. By buying below market value, choosing the right location, increasing rent strategically, reducing operating costs, exploring short-term rentals, and refinancing, you can increase your chances of generating positive cash flow from your rental properties. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful in making your investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. Your support helps us to create more valuable content and reach more viewers. Also, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback you may have. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future.